Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix common ChatGPT mistakes in minutes. Start by improving your prompt. Be clear about your goal. For example, instead of asking "help me write," say "write a 3-sentence summary in bullet points with a friendly tone." This tells ChatGPT exactly what format and style you want. Always provide background information. If you are working on a school project or business task, say so. More context helps the system give you better answers. When asking complex questions, break them down. Start with a main question, then follow up with more specific requests. This makes the conversation easier to control and improves the accuracy of each answer. Using a role can also guide the response. You can say, "act as a lawyer," "act as a chef," or "act as a fitness expert." This helps ChatGPT respond with the correct voice and level of detail. Now, let's look at technical problems. If ChatGPT freezes or loads slowly, refresh the page. This solves most temporary glitches. If the problem continues, clear your browser's cache and cookies. This removes stored data that may be causing errors. To clear your browser cache and data, open your browser settings. Scroll down and click on Privacy and Security. Now select Clear Browsing Data. Here you can clear your browser's cache and cookies. Finally, visit status.openai.com to check if there is an outage. If the servers are down, you simply need to wait for the system to be restored. With these simple steps, you can fix prompt issues, correct output mistakes, and solve technical problems in just a few minutes. Thanks for watching.